David Junkyard Academy. I ran into a young man supplementing income by helping people at the local junkyard take parts off. This is another side hustle you guys can do. Go ahead.
Hey, as he said, I'm KJ. I actually am a master barber, and on my off days, I'm a car enthusiast. So I spend more time in the junkyard revamping my own car, and I know the cost efficiency in today's pricing for stuff. A lot of times people have no idea that if you don't have a brand spanking new car, your window, it's cheaper to get a window from the junkyard and have it reinstalled than it is to purchase a new one. Anything from fenders, Certifit, that fender, that bumper, all of that stuff's gonna come from Certifit. It'll be $60, $70, $80, but it's gonna be black and gray. And if you purchase from the junkyard, like I'm advising her, you can actually color code. You can get the exact match from the manufacturer of your vehicle. And speaking of manufacturing, what we were saying off camera, almost every AutoZone, Rock Auto, Advance, O'Reilly's, all of those are remanufactured parts. And for lack of a better way of describing a remanufactured part, it just means they got junkyard parts they put the newer parts in it, components in it, to resell it, as opposed to manufacturing and making a whole new alternator. They just take old ones and recycle them.
So the difference between you when it comes to local junkyard versus salvage yard and dismantling the whole vehicle, as far as like the instant recycling, parts and things like that, which one you think is better as far as like junk car buyers and tow enthusiasts that get in the business of buying junk cars?
I think you guys should go to junkyards and auctions. Yeah, because the very act of those things allows you more access to the vehicle. At a salvage yard, they are recycling vehicles. You have already destroyed or taken it down to bare scrap metal. So they don't serve a purpose
per se.
It's beneficial to someone who's an enthusiast or someone who's revamping. Because they are for tearing down. They are for the cars are over.
Yeah, but I see a lot of people that come here as well. They take a lot of parts off and they turn back around and they resell them on eBay Motors, Facebook Marketplace. You do the same thing?
Yes, because people, let's say they live in Colorado or somewhere where it's salty and cold all the time. Their junkyards are rust buckets. All their cars are rusted out. Whereas ours are not.